my name is Camille and I want to welcome you back to my palace. Today at the palace, I have a haul for you guys. This is going to be a Shop Miss A haul. I don't know if you've shopped there before, if you know nothing about it, but allow me to introduce it to you. Shop Miss A pretty much have makeup, hair, nails, I do believe, products, tools, and their budget is pretty much $1. Everything is pretty much $1. They do little bundle deals that, of course, you're going to pay slightly more for $1. But we're going to talk about it. I got a haul. Let me show y'all what I got, okay? Just to give you a heads up, this is not the first time I shop from Shop Miss A, but this is not sponsored at all. This is my own money, me purchasing. So I pretty much know like how the products work, and I kind of order off of that. On to the video. So now we're going to dive into what I got, okay? On this side, if you see me looking over here, I pulled up a list of the actual prices that I bought. Like I said, pretty much everything is $1. Now that every prices is going higher, I might have paid $1 some change, so I want to give y'all the exact prices, okay? All right, y'all, this is what I got. Shop Miss A sent me this in this bubble wrap paper material, plastic, and I think that's so good in case you order actual like makeup or palettes and stuff and you don't want to make sure that it breaks or anything. I ordered pretty much tools and supplies, and we're going to go over it and show you. So this is a makeup bag I ordered. This says too glam to give a damn, okay? So I thought this was cute. Put your little grab and goes, your makeup take with you kit or whatever you want. I actually grabbed 2 of them. This one says, don't let today be a waste of makeup. I also ordered these hair clips. It's 2 hair clips in here, and they were $1. This is a super soft Paw Paw beauty blender. This was $1.50 for this beauty blender. Let me get in here. Everything else is tight. Okay, got it. Next thing up, this is like a head massager scrub, you know, when you're washing your hair. Shampoo scalp massage. This is was $1.55 as well. This is a brush set, but I love Shop Miss A brushes, okay, because they're the bomb.com for a little amount of money. I'm actually going to open this up and show you the brushes, okay? This brush set also costs $10, okay? So it comes in this fur brush case, and then it has each of the brushes individually wrapped and different colors. This is a rainbow brush set. I love Shop Miss A brushes. You get 10 brushes for this brush set. This is not the first brush set that I ordered from Shop Miss A. And I still use, even the first time I ordered makeup brushes, I still use those brushes. They still work great. Shout out to Shop Miss A for these brushes, because for $10, they shouldn't be that good. But they are that good, and I'm thankful that they're that good, okay? But yeah, rainbow brush set, $10. This is another Paw Paw beauty blender. I don't get the names, Paw Paw and stuff, but super soft beauty blender. This is going to be a beauty blender case, okay? This is in the color mint. This is $1.55, and I also got it in the color pink, okay? $1.55 as well. I bought these because I be having my beauty blenders and I be needing a place to put them, and I thought this would also be a good stocking stuffer type of gift, you know. I don't care for the Paw Paw or the cat. I could have had a regular beauty blender case, but since it's in this color, this shape, and I need the case, I just bought it. All right, next I got eyebrow razor. The eyebrow razor was $1, so it gives me 2 for $1. This is a microfiber hair towel. So you know when you wash your hair, so you're not supposed to use a regular towel. So it's that, and then you know it folds up on your head. Always good to have one of these. And then this is another brush kit, okay? I actually already have this brush kit from Shop Miss A. I want to say this is $10 too. Let me check. Yeah, this is $10 too. I actually have one of these, but I bought these as a gift for someone else because, like I said, these little stocking stuff are good because these brushes are the bomb. This is how the case looks. Flip it up, you get all of these brushes. It's amazing. Once again, I still use these brushes, so yeah. Also, these are black brushes, but they got the little pink AOA Studio on it, writing, and I think the pink writing is really pretty. But yeah, that is all that I got from Shop Miss A. Hopefully you found something that you liked or you found this video was interesting. I really thank y'all and appreciate y'all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. I'm going to be dropping more beauty videos for you guys. As you can see, I got some stuff here. Some of it I'm giving away, but some of it you might see in another video. But yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. And until next time, bye guys.